Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Quincy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the must-buy items if you're going to be starting a YouTube channel, or if you've already started but you want to step your game up and get more subscribers on your channel. So keep watching. Coming up. Hey, so welcome back. Before I begin, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to Andy's Weekly Vlog and also Tosh Deluxe and Hari 3.7. Hey, thank you guys for commenting and staying engaged. If you would like to be featured as a comment winner on my next video, make sure you comment on this video with your questions, concerns, anything you may have a issue with, and I can get back to you as soon as I can, and you can be featured as a comment winner. All right, guys, so on to the video. One of the things that I chose to invest in as soon as I started my YouTube channel was a camera, a DSLR camera. Now, you can use your phone. I use my iPhone for a number of things. I mainly use it for screen recording some things on the YouTube app, YouTube Studio, or even TikTok. I have streamed on the iPhone for YouTube, but I personally choose to use a DSLR camera, and I'll show you here what that camera looks like. This is the camera that I use, which is a Canon T6i. You do not have to have this high-end camera, but I will also pop up a couple of other cheaper options should you choose to go with more of a vlogging camera. However, this camera gives me the quality that I want. It gives me the lighting adjustments, a little bit of depth of field, not too much, but I will show you in my next thing that I decided to get, which was a major improvement for my channel on most of my videos, which is a different lens. So right now you see me in this video. Let me show you the new lens that I bought, just in case you might be looking for more of a depth of field to blur the background. Maybe like this sign right here, which I use for different messages. I'll change the messages every now and then, but maybe you don't want really people to see your background and maybe just to focus on you. So this is my current lens. Every now and then I record with this newer lens, and let me show you what that looks like. Now, this lens right here does have autofocus. I really don't record with the autofocus because it makes little noises. Maybe you can hear the noises right now, but it kind of blurs the background. If I got a little closer, which I'm really in the screen right now, it's focused on me and the background's really blurred, but you might hear it auto-focusing, so I usually put it on manual. Now, this lens is a Canon EF 50mm 1.4 aperture, so I will have that in the description below should you want to get one like this, if you're wondering how some people are blurring the background and how they're so crisp on camera. This, I feel, was a really great investment for my channel. One of the other things that I decided to invest in because of the comments I kept getting, you need a new microphone, you need a quality microphone. I would just use the sound of the camera and it would sound like there's so much echo in the room, and I'll give you an example right now. This part right here is without the Blue Yeti microphone that I bought, or what you've been hearing up until this time. This is the quality of the audio coming from the nice Canon T6i that I bought, and it's okay. It gets the point across. You can hear me. However, it makes a real difference when you go back to, or when you start to invest in quality, which sounds like this. And so I'm going to use this phone so I don't have to move the camera to show you this is the Blue Yeti that I got. Of course, the quality of this iPhone doesn't do justice. Does exactly what I need it to do, and of course it comes with a boom arm so I can extend it, and of course if I wanted to do a live stream on my phone. And so that's what I use when I want to look at the camera, but at the same time read some of the things and the points that I want to stay on. That's kind of a little behind the scenes of my setup as well, where I have my ring light and my camera and my computer, just to show you a little bit. The Blue Yeti mic gives me great audio quality. I never have any pops, any clips, any issues. I can easily turn the gain up, turn it down. I can set it to omnidirectional, 3 different settings to pick up the volume of my voice, or if I'm doing an interview with someone, and it picks up really well. One of the other things that's responsible for my growth on my channel is Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy has helped me in a number of ways find keywords, come up with great titles, choosing hashtags, all sorts of things that has helped put me in search or help me rank in search and be discovered on Google and on YouTube. When people are typing in something that they're searching for, it has helped me appear within the first 5 or 10 search results. So Tubebuddy, whether you have a free membership, a pro, they have legend, they have a couple of different options, but you can always start with the free version just to get familiar with it and see how it works. But trust me, the pro version is definitely something that you will not regret. And at one time I was striving to get 1,000 subscribers, and now I'm pushing toward 10,000. Thankful to Tubebuddy and a lot of other things that I've showed you on here that I decided to invest in that helped me step my game up. And you know what? Sometimes you don't need any of this. I have seen YouTube channels that don't have any of this, but just a phone, and they go live all the time. A couple of different people that I've been watching and looking at, not just one, but about 6 or 7 different people, and they just go live wherever they're at, but it's because of the content. It's because of what they're talking about, the value in what they're speaking on, and their channel is skyrocketing. So all of these things that I'm mentioning kind of go hand in hand, but if you really have value in what you're saying and what you're teaching and what you're delivering, and people are searching for the answers of what you have, your channel can skyrocket without a ring light, without a DSLR camera, without a Blue Yeti mic, without an iMac. You just really need to know your niche, and that there's an audience out there for what you have to say and what you want to give tips on or what you want to teach on. I also bought a tripod for my DSLR camera because I noticed I wanted to be in different angles and different situations, and I've kept finding myself trying to prop my camera up, or I would try to raise my seat or lower my seat down, and I found out that okay, this is getting ridiculous. Over here I have a door, and I wanted to get that out the way, and so it really made it easier to get a tripod. And lastly, the software that I use is Studio One 3. You can use a variety of softwares. You can use the audio from your phone. You can use the audio from your DSLR camera. But because I chose to go the route of buying a Blue Yeti microphone and minimizing the background noise, I sync up my audio to my video, which gives me a overall better quality video. But if you wanted to go the route on getting an additional software to edit and put everything together, I will have a link in the description below as well for Studio One. And there's a host of other programs that you can use, and it has helped me. I've been able to turn up the volume, lower the volume, use the equalizer, the EQs, adjust the quality. And so hopefully these things can be a help for you if you have already started a channel. Maybe if you got money to invest and you're just thinking about going all in. Maybe you want to start podcasting and using your YouTube videos, but the audio from that to launch your podcast. These are some things that you may want to take a look into. All right, guys, so comment, let me know below if you already have some of these things, if you're thinking about investing in some of these. Maybe you have some and they don't work for you. Are you recording on your phone right now for YouTube? How is that going? And what type of phone do you have? Let me know. I want to know. All right, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. If not, what are you waiting for? There are a ton of videos on here that can help you as far as social media goes. I have TikTok tips and tutorials, as well as a good amount of YouTube videos that will help you on your journey. All right, so until next time, I will see you soon.